Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Toy channel. Okay, so I'm still in office and basically I want to do a very quick um, cover, a very quick HD shot of this very nice Beetles from Inspire model. Okay, they are supposed to be for Mexico special edition for an event in Mexico that was supposed to happen in May, but due to the the COVID-19, as we all know it, hence that's why it is only being released now. Okay, so four new models. Okay, very nice four new models: the Golf, the Avant, the Martini, and the JPS. This is also a very nice new packaging. Oh, I have one here. Okay, I do have one here there. So the old packaging is like this. Okay, Inspire model, RobertDesign. All right. Okay, like that. This is the older model. Okay, with RobertDesign and RWB licensing. So that's the old packaging. Now this is the new packaging. Okay, this maybe I'm not sure if this is gonna be a new packaging, but I dare to say this would be the event special packaging. Okay, this is actually very nice. I do quite like the box, and I definitely like the colors of the packaging. That is actually very nice. This is a golf color, very golf color, the golf blue and golf orange with a golf logo in front. Okay, RobertDesign, Robert Works logo on top. Inspire model, very minimalistic design. I quite like it. Follow him on Instagram. Okay, I think he's on Facebook as well. Okay, do follow MCE as well. Okay, so this is a licensed product. All right. So I've already did a shortcut. Okay, so when I show you these models, right, you will see the loose ones appearing at the back. You can't ignore the busy thing here because I want to do a very quick HD coverage for you guys. Okay, without having to move the other things around, which is gonna take time for me to just remove and set it up again. So I thought, you know what, you guys don't mind. You guys are here just to see the good stuff, right? Okay, so this is the Avant, the Yokohama. This is definitely going to be the hot one. Okay, the popular one. Oh, they are diecast, by the way. Okay, they are diecast. As far as I know, I don't think they will be doing in resin. Okay, Avant logo down here. Okay, the red black, very iconic red black color. All right, I'm gonna put him on the side. And then we have the JPS, another very iconic brand, John Player Special. Okay, in that copper and black JPS logo on the side. Vox Beetle. Okay, Inspire model. Alright, so that's the JPS, and then we have the Martini. That's a very nice white on white. White on white. So I guess it's the Golf and the Martini that stands out quite a lot because of the different set of rims. Because the Avant and the JPS, right, uses black rims. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. However, for the Golf and the Martini, it's different color of rims. Nice. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. Okay, so RobertDesign, I think I've told you guys the story before. I'm gonna tell it again for our newcomers, right, new viewers. So this is what we have at the back here. Yes, loving my not to say new, my updated RWB Beetle setup. Okay, and so I've kind of lost count on how many Beetles Inspire model has made. I do have, you know what, I'm just going to turn a little bit. There you go. I do have a couple of the resin models that's parked at the back. All right, these are resin, so they have done resin models. Okay, even the Grady one behind is resin as well. I can't stress enough the amount of details and being able to reach this kind of level of details in 64 scale. It is a serious wonder. I think I'll drop a link to this video. I did cover another first look video on the resin models already. Okay, so these ones, the latest ones, are in diecast. These are actually one of the previous release. Okay, that the really crazy part, right, is actually one of the really crazy part. Can I show you? This is actually part of their first release. Okay, this blue one. Okay, it's part of their first release. There we go. Look at that. being able to give that kind of engine details, that is something that I've never seen in 1/64 scale. Okay, that is actually very, very nice. Okay, in 64 scale, it is really crazy. It is really crazy. Okay, metal base. Okay, oh, look at that. You can stare at it all day, man. Seriously. Seriously. Okay, and it's diecast. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom a little bit. Diecast. Yes, so you can roll. Well, most of it can roll. Most of it can roll. I did have experience. I think one of it where the rims are stuck to the arch. Okay, so do you want me to count? I think I'm just gonna do a quick count, a simple count of how many how many die casts. Okay, excluding the resin ones, right? Die cast ones. They're easily what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 variants. Okay, freaking 21 variants in total, if I didn't get it wrong, and there will be more coming. So there is definitely something for everyone. Something for everyone. Now this time around, in actually they have also announced the non-cabriolet version. Okay, so what you've seen right here is all open top. Okay, the open top versions. The Mexico exclusive picked up the 4 designs in open top. All right, the closed top ones, right? Similar design, very, very similar designs from the photos I see. Closed top, those are actually Hong Kong box set. Okay, those will appear in a Hong Kong special edition box set, and in that box set comes with a Beetle and also a RWB van. Okay, so that is something definitely to look forward to. Okay, so before we go so far ahead, let me just adjust the camera so that I can get you guys even closer to it. And look at that. This is a freaking diecast, guys. Okay, it's a freaking diecast, and the amount of details on this thing is really, really crazy. Okay, one of the even the interior, you know, I mean, I was about to say, you know, the interior grabs my attention very quickly because of the seat belts. Okay, the seatback details that is in there. Okay, I'm guessing it's printed, but still, you know, it is printed very nicely. Okay, the dash, okay, there is a tachometer there as well, the speedometer. There you can see it. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, the glove compartment has a handle as well. Okay, alright, it has a bit of back seat. The Avant logo on the side view. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. It has what I think it's called a tire bomb sticker as well on the front and back. Very nice. Advance. Oh my god, look at the details. I really, really like that red and black combo, that Avant colors. Okay, the side mirror, very cool, very, very cool, with that reflective material on it. Okay, the indicating lights, it definitely looks like it's a separate piece. That's why it makes it so realistic. On the side here, there's the I keep forgetting what to call this. I forgot what it's called. Damn. Anyway, I'm just gonna move on. But it's still very, very nice to have all these little details. Okay, so this is actually a RWB white body Beetle. Okay, that's why there is all these little aerodynamic pieces around. Oh shit, man, look at that. Okay, let's check out the front, the number plates. That does look like it's a separate piece. Okay, either it's a separate piece or it's printed very nicely on it. Okay, the hook, this is the thing that gets me the most. Look at that. Look at a tow hook. That is a very, very nice touch. That is a very, very nice touch. Okay, the windscreen, RWB. Is that RWB France? Is that RWB France? It does look like it, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. This RWB fronts with Japanese number plate. The headlamps, very, very nice. Look at that, just love it. Just loving it. Okay, so I guess, is it a separate piece? It could be, very well be. It could very well be this is, even the front lip is a separate piece. Damn. Okay, let's check out the back. Oh, the party piece. That's the party piece to me actually. Look at the back. Look at the back. So I guess this is a separate piece so that if they want to expose the engine, right, they can. I'm guessing the engine, right, it has all the details like the one that I showed you earlier. Okay, I'm guessing if we remove this, if we unrevert it, okay, reverted by 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 1 in front. Okay, so that's 3 screws. I'm guessing that we will be able to see the same kind of details on this engine. Okay, the tail lights do look like they are a separate piece. It doesn't look like it's painted on. Holy moly, the plates, the handle, the exhaust, look at that. It's freaking nuts, man. Okay, so that's the Beetle. Okay, oh sorry, that's the Yokohama ADVAN. Alright, we go to the Golf. Okay, we go to the Golf. Loving that orange rims with that Golf colors, number 2, Golf Porsche. Is that a Michelin logo? Yes, I think it is. It is Michelin logo on the door. Oh my god, nice. Oh, look how the stripe goes all the way. You know, you can sense the continuity of the orange stripe. It goes into the seat belts and goes straight to the back. Look at that. That is so cool. That is just so cool. Nice. Look at the front. Is it RWB fronts? Yes, it is. Okay, the plates. This time the plates are very nicely done. The tow hook as well, again, the crazy ass tow hook in orange. Very nice. Very, very nice. Orange seat belts. Side view for a short while. Yes, they do roll. Oh, the back is stuck. The back is a little bit stuck. Okay, and then we'll check out the ass. Oh, look at that. Okay, even the rear view mirror is there as well. Damn. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, just gonna park it here for a short while. Yes, I pushed over my 64 scale handphone holder. Ring light. Oh my god, look at that. Shout out to Legit Miniatures who managed to pull this off, man. Yeah, it's freaking crazy. Okay, a quick shout out to Monster Miniature as well. Hang on. It's so small that it even sticks on my fingers, you know. It's just that lightweight. Okay, and a quick shout out to Monster Miniature as well. He's the one that did, yep, can you recognize him? I don't think I've shown you guys on YouTube before. Yep. Okay, quick shout out to Monster Miniatures who did that. And the other figures are actually by OXM. Okay, some of the figures that you see here are from OXM, and he don't exactly exist on social media right now, but he's exclusively distributed. His OXM figures are exclusively distributed through Collector's Cube. That's where I do most of my Facebook live unboxing as well. Do follow us there on Facebook, okay? Collectors QUBE, alright? Okay, and in the meantime, while I show you the JPS, right, John Player Special, okay, with RobertDesign logo at the back. Okay, while I show this to you, do hit that like button, okay, and hit the subscribe button as well, because that will really help me out in the YouTube's algorithms. Nice. Damn. Hang on, sorry, just gonna park the Golf at the back for a bit. There we go. Look at that. Look at that thing. Black gold, come on. Come on, what's not to like? Okay, at the back, that gold lining. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you guys the Martini. Okay, let's just put JPS back there. Okay, let's go with the Martini. Oh, whitest of the white. Number 12, Martini logo at the back. Okay. The rims are a little bit rough though this time. I think, yeah, if you get it out right, I think you can just adjust the rubber wheels. I think they're okay. Okay. And I think these are, yeah, while I was messing with the rims, right, I think these are called M1. I think it's called M1, where it is used on RWBs as well. Oh man, I really like how Robert actually placed the hook, the tow hook down there, and I really like how Inspire Model and MC managed to pull that off. That is so cool. Look at the front handle. Okay, the front hood handle. Okay, even that detail is there. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, you can see the third brake light as well. Ooh, look at that. Damn. Let me double check. I think they have already made a Martini. I can't recall if that's a Martini or a Herbie. hang on. Don't mind me parking them here for a bit. Let me see. Let me just. Okay. This one, yeah, it's a Herbie, not a. Is it a Herbie or Martini? It definitely looks like a Martini instead of Herbie. Number 49 is Herbie though, right? Right. Okay. Yeah, I've got quite bad memories, so now I don't remember. I think number 49 is Herbie, right? Okay, so this is in diecast as well. So this is something that you have already released some time ago, and I do see number 49 quite a lot of places, like even on the, I have the loose one here, yeah, only even on this, the German colors. Oh, you do see a lot of number 49 all around. So I'm wondering, maybe it's Robert's lucky number or something. Look at that. This is actually very nice as well. I don't think I've shown you this before. Okay, the party piece. Oh, very, very nice. Thought I'd just show you. Cool. Cool. Nice. Okay. All right. So that's about it for this time around. Okay, let me just let it focus a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so do hit us up on Facebook, okay? Because we do have a few extras that is still available through Collectors Cube Facebook, Collectors QUBE, and do hit the like button and subscribe button, okay? And that's it from me this time around. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.